Welcome to FK iPhone. Today, we're diving into the HONOR X9c, a mid-range smartphone that's making waves in 2025. This device brings a sleek design, solid performance, and a few surprises that might just make it one of the best budget-friendly phones of the year. Starting with the exterior, the HONOR X9c sports a premium look with a curved OLED display that stretches from edge to edge. The bezels are minimal, giving it a futuristic feel. The back panel comes in a few stylish colors, with a matte finish that resists fingerprints. The camera module is circular, giving it a distinct look compared to most rectangular setups we see on other phones. Despite its premium appearance, it remains lightweight and comfortable to hold. When it comes to the display, HONOR has packed in a vibrant OLED panel with a high refresh rate. This means smoother scrolling, better animations, and an overall better experience for gaming and watching videos. The brightness levels are impressive, making it easy to use outdoors, and the color accuracy is top-notch for this price range. Under the hood, the HONOR X9c is powered by a capable chipset that balances performance and efficiency. Whether you're multitasking, streaming, or gaming, the device handles everyday tasks with ease. It comes with generous RAM and storage options, so you won't have to worry about running out of space too soon. The software is optimized for a smooth experience, with HONOR's latest user interface offering a clean and responsive feel. The camera system on this phone is built to capture sharp and detailed images. The main sensor delivers crisp photos in daylight, while the night mode helps improve low-light shots. The ultra-wide lens is great for landscape photography, and the front camera ensures clear selfies and video calls. Video recording capabilities are solid, with stabilization features that help reduce shaky footage. Battery life is another strong point. The HONOR X9c packs a large battery that can easily last a full day, even with heavy use. Fast charging support means you can quickly top up your battery and get back to using your phone without long waiting times. In conclusion, the HONOR X9c is a stylish and well-rounded device that offers a lot for its price. It has a stunning display, reliable performance, good cameras, and strong battery life, making it a great option for anyone looking for a mid-range phone in 2025. If you're considering an upgrade without breaking the bank, this one is definitely worth checking out. That's it for today's video. Let me know in the comments what you think about the HONOR X9c. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more smartphone content. See you in the next one.